How to close your trade on Bybit. For a start, I advise all of you, when you start your path, use demo account. On Bybit, there's a super beautiful demo account and it's free. There would be a short tutorial in description. After that, when you go to a demo account, let me show to you examples how you exactly can close a trade. There's several options how you can do it. Let's open some trade on BTC. Let's assume we have one BTC long at this moment and we would like to close it. You have several options how to do it. First option, here you go to your position and here you can see close by, and what you can do here, press market, and it shows to you a menu amount of part of positions that you would like to close. One here 100%, it means you close your entire trade, because in some cases, if you're quite advanced trader, in some cases you would like to close part of your position, because honestly, when I have a good trade, I always close it by parts. Like nearly 90% of my trades close by parts at this moment. And for example, you would like to close 10%, you can choose 10% and here confirm. And you can see at this moment we have 0.9. That means with market you can close part and entire trade immediately. Also, you can close your trade by here, this button. You also can close it by pressing here. Let's press it. Please confirm to close entire position. When you press, you confirm you closed entire your position. And you can see here in positions, you show you have nothing. Once more, you can test it on demo. It costs you nothing. You risk no real money. Let's assume we have additional trade. What also we can do, also, if you would like to close your trade and you don't hurry up, especially when you have positive trade, you can close it with limit orders. What this stuff means, let's assume we would like to close a short trade. Let's use limit orders, for example, 25%, my apology, 25% limit order. Let's do it at 84,000. You can see 0.25 appeared at 84,000. What's the stuff? Why sometimes we use this stuff, and what's the stuff for? This stuff for when you have positive trade, for example, and you understand that still there's good plenty room for move. You don't need to hurry up and take trade out immediately, and you can set such limit orders, and when price reach it, it would close you, it cash you out. Also pay attention in these orders when you set these orders, they would only work as closing shorts. It means set them and they will only reduce amount of positions that you have on a trade. Let me show to you once more how those limit orders works. Before I invite you to get winning crypto signals for free, every day I share clear signals with entry exit points on top coins, and our community members make really good money. At this moment you can see their results. There a way how you also can get access to it absolutely for free, zero. That option is to become our Bybit partner. You can do it even if you have account on Bybit right now. You simply write petition to Bybit to become our partner. For you, it would be zero additional fees. Bybit will give some bonus to us, but you will have really great benefit. Read details in description, fill that form. After that, my team will help you to do it absolutely free. What about these limit orders? Also pay attention that you can move them. For example, you can make them closer to a price, and if price reach it, they take it. When you move your limit order on a trade, it closes automatically. And let's close here, let's cancel, and let's go to position and let's close it by market 100%. Congrats, at this moment you know how to close your position on Bybit. Once more, highly advise you to use demo account, because when you start your path, you need to know how to work with these buttons, and on demo account you risk zero, but you will learn how to work with a platform.